What up, fam? This is Vic from Quick Cutz Premium Lawn Care here in Conyers, Georgia. As always, hope you guys are cutting on. So I had a subscriber ask me to show some after photos of our headquarters. We didn't actually show the end of the finished product. As you can see, these pictures right here showing what it looked like, especially in our basement area where we added 2 bedrooms, right? So after adding the 2 bedrooms, we was also able to stud up the wall to add a kitchen. So after everything was said and done, we was able to put vinyl planks down and put a kitchen up. As you can see, me and my brothers in that downstairs. So we got an additional kitchen in that home. So upstairs, we actually had hardwood floors underneath the carpet, which saved us a bundle of money. And we actually sanded and polished the hardwood floors ourselves. It was really simple to do. Then we had to paint those walls several times because it was actually wood panels. And you know anything about wood, it sucks up a lot of paint. As you can see in this old photo right here, you can see how this home used to look, but now, boom, spectacular. Looks really great. We was really excited about how everything turned out. You know, you can see me right there in another before picture and the after picture. So it's a lot of love putting this home together. We love the headquarters. You can see the rest of the remaining of the photos, but please go back in the channel and see how this once, I would say, creepy house turned into a nice home for my brother and also our headquarters. We also made sure that we painted his daughter room. She likes, I don't know, I think that's plum or violet. So we painted her room violet. So here's the remainder of the pictures. Hope you like them. And as always, man, cut on lawn care family, cut on, and we're cutting out. Peace.